The Senate, at its plenary sitting on Wednesday, 6th October 2021, considered the request of Mr. President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for the confirmation of nomination of Honorable Justice Husseini Baba Yusuf for the appointment as the Honorable Chief Judge, High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Mr. President.
Distinguished Senator Gobir. Please use your mic. Your mic is off.
For the avoidance of doubt, this appointment was made pursuant to Section 256(1) of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, which requires that the appointment of a person to the office of Chief Judge of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, shall be made by the President on the recommendation of the National Judicial Council, subject to confirmation of such nomination by the Senate. It is in line with this provision that the appointment of the nominee was forwarded to the Senate. It should be noted, for the purpose of emphasis, that Honorable Justice Husseini Baba Yusuf is the most senior judge on the bench of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. He was recommended in order of seniority and preference by the Federal Judicial Service Commission to the National Judicial Council for appointment as the Honorable Chief Judge, High Court of the FCT, Abuja. The committee interviewed Honorable Justice Husseini Baba Yusuf and received explanation regarding his life, work experience, suitability, competence, and integrity for appointment to the office of the Honorable Chief Judge of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I have jumped to page 5 to talk about observations and findings of our committee. The committee, after the screening exercise, deliberated on the nominee's suitability for the appointment and hereby make the following observations and findings. 1, that the appointment of the nominee satisfies the requirements of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended, and the Senate Standing Orders 2015 as amended. 2, that Honorable Justice Husseini Baba Yusuf has a wide range of experience, comportment, exposure, and possesses the requisite leadership qualities of a judicial officer to effectively superintend over a court of such magnitude and complexity, and can exercise restraint and uphold the dignity of the High Court of the FCT, Abuja, and the litigants in the discharge of his official functions. 3, that there is no petition against the nomination of the nominee for appointment as the Honorable Chief Judge of the High Court of the FCT, Abuja. 4, that he was appointed as the acting Chief Judge of the court on 1st August 2021, a position he held on his appointment by Mr. President as the substantive Chief Judge of the court. 5, that there are no adverse reports against the nominee, as record checks and other forms of investigation carried out by security agencies did not reveal any negative trace against him. And 6, that the nominee is a fit and proper person for appointment as the Honorable Chief Judge of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Our committee recommendation. The Senate Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights and Legal Matters, having screened the nominee and being satisfied about his exposure, experience, performance, qualifications, and competence, hereby recommends that the Senate do confirm the nomination of Honorable Husseini Baba Yusuf for appointment as the Honorable Chief Judge of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. I so move, Mr. President, and
Any comments, Leader of the Senate? Committee of those in favor of the motion that the Senate reverse to plenary for the charge report progress, say aye. Those against. of the Hall considered the report of the Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights and Legal Matters on the screening of Mr. President's nominee for appointment as Chief Judge of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory and approved the nomination of Honorable Justice Husseini Baba Yusuf as Chief Judge of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory. Is this a true reflection of what transpired in the Committee of the Hall? Thank you very much. Leader of the Senate, we are going confirmation. No, confirmation. Will the Senate confirm the nomination of Honorable Justice Husseini Baba Yusuf for appointment as the Chief Judge of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja? Those in favor will say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The nomination of Honorable Justice Husseini Baba Yusuf is hereby confirmed as the Chief Judge of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Congratulations to him and we wish him the best of tenure. Leader of the Senate.
Mr. President,